Football organizer and philanthropist Clive Busy Campbell and the Bob Marley Foundation recently made a donation of a computer and school supplies to the Pedro Plains Primary School in St. Elizabeth. The school was impacted by the passage of Hurricane Melissa back in October. Campbell says he was inspired to reach out and help after seeing the severity of the damage to the school.
When I saw what Melissa, the hurricane, did to that side of the country, tears came to my eyes, I must tell you. And Mr. Blake, who I know very well and is a past student of one of the schools there, there's more that will be donated to. But from the game that we played on Ash Wednesday, I said, let me get a computer, printer, and some bags that they need. So it gives me great pleasure, and I feel good inside with Bob Marley Foundation that we could have the game continuing for 4 years, and we just say one love all the time.
Deputy Commissioner of Police Clifford Blake, who is a past student of the institution, was on hand to receive the donation. DCP Blake says the computer will go a far way in assisting with development of the young minds towards modern technology.
And I want to say thanks to the Bob Marley Foundation for presenting here today this computer set, which the school needs, after what has happened with Melissa. Certainly this will go a far way in aiding learning at the institution. And also, given the drive in technology, I'm certain that this will be a valuable asset to add to the institution.
Purchase of the computer was made from proceeds from the annual Bob Marley One Love Football Festival on Ash Wednesday.